Hello everyone, welcome back to the Zoho Forms series. In episode 11, we will take a quick tour of three remaining sections under Settings: Mobile App, Compliance and Audit, Tasks. These sections are more specialized and are generally used based on your organization's requirements. Rather than configuring each option, I will give you a brief overview of what each feature does and when you might use it. Push notifications. The mobile app section currently includes push notifications. This feature lets you receive instant notifications on the Zoho Forms mobile app whenever a new record is submitted or an existing record is updated. You can configure separate notification templates for new records and updated records, allowing you to include new information directly in the notification. This is especially useful if you want to stay informed while you are away from desk. The first option in compliance and audit is HIPAA. If your organization works in the healthcare industry and handles sensitive patient information, Zoho Forms provides HIPAA compliance features to help protect electronic protected health information, also known as EPHI. You can mark specific fields as EPHI, monitor audit logs, and apply additional security controls to help meet HIPAA requirements. This feature is available only on supported plans. Next is form encryption. This feature adds another layer of protection by encrypting your form data using a secure access code. Even if someone gains unauthorized access, the encrypted data cannot be viewed without the access code. Form encryption is especially useful when collecting confidential information such as personal identities, financial details, or legal documents. The accessibility section helps you build forms that are easier for everyone to use, including people who rely on assistive technologies. Following accessibility best practices ensures your forms are more inclusive and provide a better experience for all respondents. Record Audit keeps track of activities performed on form entries. It records who modified a record, what changes were made, and when those changes occurred. This provides a complete audit trail, making it useful for organizations that require accountability or compliance reporting. Finally, email audit allows administrators to review the emails sent from a form. This helps verify whether email notifications were successfully delivered and can assist when troubleshooting notification-related issues. Under Tasks, the first option is Permissions. Here, you can control which fields are visible or editable for users performing approval or task-related actions. This ensures users only have access to the information they actually need, helping improve both security and workflow efficiency. The second option is Filters. This setting lets you choose which drop-down and radio button fields can be used to filter assigned tasks later. Simply select the fields you want to make available as filters and click Save. Once configured, task owners can use the Filter by Choice option in the All Entries section to quickly find only the tasks they are looking for example, filtering by department, travel type, or services interested in. This makes it much easier to manage a large number of assigned tasks without having to scroll through every record. And that's a quick overview of the remaining settings section in Zoho Forms. While these features aren't required for every form, they become incredibly valuable for organizations that need mobile notifications, enhanced security, regulatory compliance, detailed audit trails, or advanced approval workflows. Congratulations! With this episode, we have completed the entire settings section of Zoho Forms. In the next episode, we will begin exploring another major area of Zoho Forms and continue building our expertise. If you have been following this series, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which Zoho Forms feature you would like us to cover next.